Kizz Daniel and the copyright dispute with his former label. Nigerian singer and songwriter Kizz Daniel, born Oluwatoboloba Daniel Onidugbe, is one of Afrobeat's most successful artists. However, his rise to stardom was marked by a highly publicized legal battle involving copyright, contract obligations, and artistic independence. The dispute, which unfolded between 2017 and 2018, remains one of the most significant label conflicts in the Nigerian music industry. Share, like, comment, and subscribe for more contents like this. Kizz Daniel rose to prominence in 2014 after signing with G Worldwide Entertainment, a Lagos-based record label. Under the label, he released hit singles such as Woju and Loye, which quickly established him as a major force in Afrobeats. As part of his recording agreement, G Worldwide claimed ownership of the master recordings and certain intellectual property rights connected to the artist's stage name and music. At the time, Kizz Daniel performed under the name Kizz Daniel, which later became central to the dispute. In 2017, Kizz Daniel abruptly parted ways with G Worldwide and announced his exit from the label. G Worldwide responded by filing a lawsuit alleging breach of contract and copyright infringement. The label claimed that Kizz Daniel had violated the terms of his agreement by leaving prematurely and releasing music independently without proper authorization. One of the most contentious aspects of the case involved the ownership of the stage name Kizz Daniel. G Worldwide asserted that the name was registered under the label and that the artist could not legally continue using it outside their contractual relationship. Amid the dispute, the artist rebranded himself as Kizz Daniel, altering the spelling of his name while maintaining his public identity. This strategic change allowed him to continue releasing music while the legal issues were ongoing. In 2018, Kizz Daniel launched his own label, Flyboy Incorporated, and released the album No Bad Songs, which debuted at #1 on the Apple Music Nigeria chart. The success of the project highlighted both his commercial strength and the importance of copyright control in an artist's career. The legal battle was eventually resolved out of court. While specific settlement terms were not publicly disclosed, the resolution allowed Kizz Daniel to continue his career independently and maintain ownership and control over his new brand and subsequent works. The dispute underscored the importance of contractual clarity, particularly regarding master recordings, stage names, and copyright ownership in artist-label relationships. Broader impact on the music industry. Kizz Daniel's case became a reference point for emerging African artists navigating record deals. It sparked widespread discussion about artist rights, unfair contracts, and the need for legal awareness in the entertainment industry. The dispute also highlighted how copyright law intersects with branding, emphasizing that an artist's name, music, and image are valuable intellectual assets that must be carefully protected. Kizz Daniel's experience illustrates the challenges artists can face when early success collides with restrictive contracts. While the dispute temporarily disrupted his career, it ultimately reinforced the importance of copyright ownership and creative autonomy. Today, his continued success stands as both a cautionary tale and a model for artists seeking greater control over their work.